Hello guys, so in today's video something just happened. I was walking in the park when I got teleported to this circle with a button on it. And somebody, there are also these people, when somebody pressed the button, I'm not sure what's happening right now, but nice, I won. So let's click it. Okay, somebody else clicked it. Oh, there's a diamond in the cave. Lucky for me, I already know the route, so I could get it before them. Because I know. Oh wait, no. I got the wrong route. Find the correct pad. Somebody clicked it. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh wait, no, I just got hit. I should have ran. Oh, there are diamonds. Yeah, at least I got the diamond. Bubble wrap. What is this? Oh man, I want the diamond. I can't jump down. Actually, no, I will. If I respawn, I think I will. Okay, I did. Bubble wrap can pop this many times. I press the button. Actually, no, I don't like this game. I hate this mini game. Why do I have this weird shouting face? Okay, I'll push my table at this guy. Oh wait, no, he knew it. I just hit someone with my table. Oh, here's my brother. We need to push this out before it explodes. My brother's over here. He just said I'm in. Oh wait, he's the only one that chat. Okay. I'll / clear the chat. Oh wait, it's meteors. Meteors are coming down. This game is called Don't Press the Button. Okay. Oh, wow. Somebody's really tiny. Look at this. He's a spider. Oh, my brother just says HAI, hi. Oh! He said it's casual player, his friend. He just told his friend to join him. So I'll see what they're doing. This video is about Don't Press the Button, but I'll see what they're playing. Okay, no, I don't like that game. Okay, I don't like that game, but anyways, it's the end of the video. Goodbye.